All right, today I'm going to be showing you how to reset the oil maintenance light on a 2019 Toyota Camry SE. Very simple, nothing crazy. It has the maintenance light, you know, take it to your dealership. So it's very simple. Basically, if you have this type of style where with the touchscreen and all that, so we're going to go ahead and press the OK button, and then we're going to press the back. So we're going to go back, and then we want to press the down button, down until we get to the, or here, let's press the arrow. We got to get to one of the maintenance requires. We got to go to settings. So let's see, vehicle settings, right there, scheduled maintenance. So we're going to select scheduled maintenance. Would you like to reset the data? So we're going to go ahead and reset that. Press yes, reset complete. We're going to go ahead and hit the back button, go back, and then so forth. Now we have no messages and we're all set and done. And our oil maintenance light should be set to 100% if it does have it, which one this one doesn't. But if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And thanks for watching.